This part of upstate New York has a special event once a year. It's a balloon festival that takes these majestic aircraft up high enough to see the Adirondack Mountains. Well, while work continues back at the house, I decided to sneak away and take my own balloon ride. But first, I've got to find a pilot. Mike, nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Permission to come aboard?
Come on aboard.
All right. So this is a first for me, but looks like we got a beautiful day for it.
It's really nice.
So this is a big event up here for you guys.
This is. Ballooning's a big thing in this area.
I bet. All right. So, I don't know. We ready?
We're ready. Let's go.
Let's go. So tell me how popular this is. You got the big festival a couple weeks ago?
We did. We had a big festival here. Brings over 100,000 people throughout the weekend. We had a smaller version of it this year. We only had about 50 balloons at it, but typically they'll get 85 to 90.
85 to 90 balloons, 100,000 people.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
Been doing this for 27 years.
You got quite the job.
It's a lot of fun.
So how did you get into it?
So I got into it when my parents took me to the balloon festival when I was really young. But then I started working with a guy in town who had it as a business, and I crewed with him for about 4 years, and then I purchased my own balloon and kind of did it for a hobby.
So what is the balloon made of?
So this balloon's made of a diamond weave ripstop nylon. So this balloon is 105,000 cubic feet. So that's basically 105,000 basketballs.
And the basket?
The basket is all handmade out of wicker. And they use wicker because it absorbs the shock on landings.
So when it's not the big festival weekend, are you taking folks out every week?
We are, yep. We're usually out, on the weekends with the, depending on the weather.
Yeah. And what am I looking at? What is this mountain range?
So right over here you have the Adirondacks.
Beautiful.
You can see part of Lake George ahead of us.
Oh yeah, big lake.
The mountains to the farthest out, those are the high peaks up in Lake Placid.
Oh wow.
On this side we have all of Vermont.
Yeah. So those are the Green Mountains over
Those
there?
are the Green Mountains over on that side.
So how high are we now?
Right about now is around 2,000 feet. Should be good. That should bring us towards these fields over here that are nice.
Yeah, you can see the deer running across the fields. I mean, this is ancient. Same as it's always been. This has been going on for a long time.
It's been going on for a long time, since 1783.
1783.
Not quite this form,
yeah,
but the idea is about the same.
Really? First balloon ride?
First balloon.
Where?
It took place in France.
No kidding.
Yeah.
How do you get them down and land them in the right spot?
It's a little bit of magic. We use vent lines sometimes, or sometimes we just let the balloon cool and come down into a spot that we want.
So the propane heats it up.
Propane heats it up.
Sends it up. Vent line will let some out the top.
Vent will let some out.
And then it naturally cools off by itself.
It'll naturally cool, yep, and come down and make a descent. There you go, right off the top of the tree.
So that's a pretty sweet landing there.
Thanks.
Nice and soft. I mean, it is like you had a steering wheel.
Sometimes it is.
That is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.